Did you know you can boost your local earnings by up to £50 a day just by offering simple services? Whether it's gardening, cleaning, or handyman work, there's always a demand for reliable local services. Start small, build a reputation, and watch your income grow. The key to success is consistency and quality. Offer a service that people need, deliver it reliably, and you'll quickly build a loyal customer base. Word of mouth is powerful, so make sure every job leaves a positive impression. Before you know it, you'll be turning down work because you're fully booked. Don't underestimate the power of local advertising. Use social media, flyers, or even just telling your neighbors to spread the word. The more visible you are, the more opportunities you'll create. And remember, every pound you earn is a step closer to financial freedom. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.